Hello everyone, this is 2020 and you are watching Fitty Factory. This rabbit looks very similar to the toy. This bike driver driving with the 6 dogs. This dog seems to be enjoying and relaxing its haircut. This is amazing flight with the birds on the board of a microlight. This parrot barks like the dog. The speedy truck loses its control by its driver and hit into the car. Dumbass! Another truck unexpectedly appears on the road.
Oh, 我的行车记录器好恐怖哦！
This SpaceX rocket explodes during a board test.
Miko, Dragon launch escape initiated.
Dragon's away.
And you can hear some really loud cheering in the room. Okay, you just saw,
I hope you enjoyed
right
this
from-
video. Please share, like and hit the subscribe button so that you get notified for the future videos. And thank you so much for watching this video.